Hello my dear students, I hope all of you are safe and fine. I am your computer teacher. In this video, I will discuss the lesson 3 of class 6. Let us open page number 17. Let us start. Themes is a great feature if you want to use a variety of fonts and colors and then duplicating those fonts and colors on another document or throughout the document. Themes is a feature which we use when we want same fonts and color for different documents or throughout a same document. Each theme consists of a background design, placeholder, layouts, a color plate, a font styles. Every theme contain background design, placeholder layouts and color plates and font styles. To change the overall design of the document, we have to follow the steps given here. Change the color of the current theme. To change the color of the current theme, we have to follow the steps given below. Here a tip given here, important. If you have already selected a theme for your document and no longer want to use it, click the reset to theme from template option. So, if we already select a theme for our document and don't want to use that theme, so then we have to click on the reset to theme option from the template option. Change the font from the current theme. We can also change the font of the current theme. To do so, we have to follow the steps given here. Next, open page number 19. Choose the effects for the current theme. By using the theme effects gallery, you can specify how effects are applied to your charts, smart art, graphics and shapes. By using the theme effects gallery, we can specify how the effects are applied to charts, smart art, graphics and shapes. To do so, you should follow the steps given here. You cannot customize your own effects, but theme effects option gives you a wide array of choices of borders and fill effects to choose from. So we cannot customize our own effect in theme effects, but theme effects gives us many options to choose. In MS Word 2007, you cannot apply a theme to some parts of your document, such as embedded objects, pictures, equations, and word art. In MS Word 2007, in embedded objects, pictures, equations, and word art, we cannot apply effects. We cannot apply themes. Next, page setup. Under the page layout tab, using the page setup options, you can customize many page features. Under the page layout tab, using the page setup option, we can customize many page features. Open page number 20. Margins. It is a page setup feature. Page margin is the blank space around the edges of the page. So what is page margin? Page margin is the blank space around the edges of our page. You usually insert text and graphics the printable area between the margins. We can insert text and graphics, which is the printable area between the margins. You can insert text and graphics here. However, you can position some items in the margins. Example, headers, footers and page numbers. But we can also insert headers, footers and page numbers on the margin position. Change or set page margins. To change or set page margins, we have to follow the steps given here. When you select the margin type that you want, your entire document automatically changes to the margin type that you have selected. When you select a margin type of our wish, then the entire document automatically changes to that margin type automatically. Specify your own margin settings. To specify our own margin settings, we have to follow the steps given below. To change the margins for part of a document, we have to follow these steps. MS Word automatically inserts section breaks before and after the text that has the new margin settings. If we change the margin for some part of a document, then the MS Word automatically insert a section break before and after that selected text. View page margins. To view page margins, we have to follow the steps given below. The page margins appear in your document as dotted lines. Page margins appear as dotted line in our document. Next, open page number 22. You can view page margins in either print layout view or web layout view. The text boundaries do not appear on the printed page. So, we can view the page margins in view layout, print layout view or as well as web layout view. The text boundaries are not appeared on the printed page. When you print a page, the text boundaries are not appeared there. Orientation. You can choose either portrait, vertical or landscape, horizontal orientation, direction for all or part of your document. We can choose either portrait or landscape orientation for our document. Portrait is vertical orientation, landscape is horizontal orientation. On the page layout tab in the setup group, click orientation. Click portrait or landscape. To change the orientation of a page, we have to click on the page set orientation option in the page setup group of the layout tab. Then we have to click portrait or landscape there. Microsoft Word automatically inserts section breaks before and after the text that has the new page orientation. Microsoft Word automatically insert section breaks before and after the text that has new page orientation. To choose the size of paper you will be printing your document on, follow the steps. To choose the size of the paper that we want to print our document, in which we want to print our document, we have to follow the steps given here. Open the page number 23. Columns. The columns button is used in newspaper and newsletters. The columns buttons are used in newspapers and newsletters. This feature breaks up the text in your document into as many columns as you like. This feature breaks up the whole text document in many columns that we want. We can make you can make your section either before or after typing our articles. We can make the sections of the text either before and after typing the article. Format a document with newsletter columns. To format a document with newsletters column, you have to follow the steps given here. So in this video up to here, we will discuss the next part of the video, next part of the lesson, the next part of the video. I hope all of you have understood. Thank you.